there is on my YouTube channel a possibility via which you can find certain videos. I always tell at the end in the text box, go to my YouTube channel, go to the looking glass, click or use certain keywords and then click, and then you can find my videos. And there are approximately 1700 videos on my YouTube channel, and that is a lot. By the way, there are 2 books on the Lulu website where I have published quite a few of my videos. The problem is that it is no longer actual. Say a few hundred videos are missing, videos that I made during the recent years. But anyway, it's useful. You can buy such a book and then you have a PDF file, and there are links in that PDF file, and you can directly click through to a video. Another issue is, by the way, that I don't know, but I'm almost sure Google does it well, but perhaps you cannot find certain older videos. I'm not completely sure, but anyway. So when I go to my functionality on my YouTube channel and I use say the search function on my YouTube channel and type in, for instance, the word microphone here, I found 15 videos that I published during the past years, the many years, about microphone amplifiers, etc., etc., electret, microphone capsule, good quality 2 transistor, electret microphone amplifier, etc., etc., all say 4 years ago or so, or even much longer ago. And I can scroll, of course. I can choose the option show all, but the question is again, can my followers, when they do what I'm telling, go to my YouTube channel Radio Fun 232, go to the looking glass and click and use keywords, can they also find everything? Well, the problem is that I have almost no reaction in the past regarding this issue. So I don't know whether everyone looking for a certain video or a certain electronic circuit, say a shortwave radio, a multivibrator, a test circuit, an audio circuit, an amplifier circuit, etc., etc., can find the videos in that way. So that's the first part of this video. Well, here for instance a hearing aid for elderly. There are, as far as I know, 2 videos about that. But well, let's say the first part of this video. But now I want to go to perhaps an interesting video. A loudspeaker used as a microphone. It is quite old, but I think I don't have to publish that schematic completely again, but we can play the video. I can play the video and then look what I've told and talk more about it. Perhaps it's interesting to show it. Well, I don't hear anything. That's strange. Very, very strange. Why don't I hear anything? Well, loudspeaker used as microphone. So I have to stop this video, but anyway, I don't stop it because I can tell what I've done. I have used a loudspeaker as a microphone. Well, of course I have to start the video. Let's follow the lead from this MP3 player. This is the next video. Also not okay. Loudspeaker uses microphone via long unshielded wires to transistor. Well, I think it is the right video. But anyway, I now switch out the music, the sound, to tell more about it. Sorry for the confusion. In this video I show how you can use a loudspeaker as a microphone. The good thing is that such a loudspeaker has a very low internal resistance, thus impedance. And it means that you can connect such a loudspeaker via quite long wires to an audio preamplifier without, say, the problem of shielding, hum, etc. etc. So this is a video about that issue, and here it is how I've made it. There is here a mini amplifier, and the schematic is showed in the video. Well, let us look to the schematic. That's perhaps the most interesting thing. So what I'm talking about here is that loudspeaker connected to a one transistor here, the first transistor, that's a BC547, and it amplifies to its maximum because we have here that 1 kilo ohm resistor and the emitter is directly connected to the minus. So very simple, 220 kilo ohm, 1 microfarad non-polar. The resistor in the collector lead is 1 kilo ohm, thus 1000 ohms. Non-polar coupling capacitor to exactly the same stage here. And these capacitors, their aim is to push down the noise level. Because there is such an enormous amplification, such a transistor in such a setup amplifies as much as such a transistor can give. And in this case it is approximately 200, 250 or so, and because they are connected you get at first 250 for the first amplifier stage, and for the second amplifier stage also 250. So 250 multiplied by 250, that's a kind of enormous amplification. Here is the classical decoupling unit. When you follow my videos you'll surely see that everywhere, in fact. And well, that's all about this amplifier, where a loudspeaker is used as a microphone. And it's good to know that when you use a big loudspeaker with a big cone, the the sensitivity gets much higher. We'll give the link to the video. I think I don't have to make the whole circuit all over because it was already published, but anyway. A loudspeaker box, and in my home I had an amplifier like this and a loudspeaker. So let's listen how that amplified sound from far away is now here amplified. And this is of course normal. You hear that strange sound because of the fact that the microphone and the loudspeaker are in the same room. So the music is pumped around in that case. So I can tell more about it. The loudspeaker was in my shed in the garden. It was connected via a long wire to the amplifier that I show here, and then I could hear the sounds in the shed. Could be interesting. Say when burglars enter the shed, you can surely hear them. Of course, this is all old school, analog tech. Nowadays we have cameras, etc., etc. Thanks for watching.